Frost is a stunning feline with a pure white coat and mesmerizing green eyes that will capture hearts. With her sweet and affectionate nature, she's sure to win over even the shyest of souls. As she begins her journey towards a new home, Frost requires patience and gentle care to help her settle in smoothly. This means respect for children of all ages and a slow introduction process to ensure harmony within any multi-cat household. If you're looking for a loving companion with a heart as beautiful as hers, consider adopting Frost today.